Is breastfeeding is everything only about nipples? No, that's not true. But then why there is so much talk about nipples? Flat nipples can't breastfeed, triangular nipples can't breastfeed, very big nipples can't breastfeed, very small nipples can't breastfeed, inverted nipples can't breastfeed. And somehow this we have heard n number of times. Every expecting mothers and a new mother has started believing into it, which is not true. It's not only about nipples. It's a lot about the latching. It's a lot about the breast. It's a lot about the diet. It's a lot about a mother's mindset. Let's understand each aspect. Yes, nipple is something which is an outlet for the milk that is flowing. But the storage and the flow depend on how the latch is. So child must latch onto the brown part around the nipples, so that to make sure that there is a good flow from the nipples. There are n number of ways by which a proper latching can be set. But as a new mother, you must be informed about it. You must get your nipples checked, especially in your 8th month of pregnancy, so that in case anything needs to be done, you can get it done before you deliver. If your nipples are big, can your child breastfeed? 100%. Every child can breastfeed on a respective mother's breast and nipple. And as it is, nipples do not determine the kind of a breastfeed your child is going to have. It's about latching, it's about position, it's about how mother is taking the child. Have a proper diet. Proper diet will make sure that there's a good flow in the breast. With proper latching, it will make sure there's a proper flow for the child when child is sucking. Third is, it's a lot about a mother's mindset. A determined mother is always more confident. See, everybody wants to give suggestion, everybody wants to press the breast, everybody wants to check the nipples, which is not right. So intuitively, every mother will know to breastfeed. Yes, there are a few basics that you have to understand. Turn child towards you, raise your child till your breast, put nipple and areola into baby's mouth, and observe for the right latch that goes. And that's it. No need to make it very complicated. Because I just now met one of the girl whose nipples are a little small, and she just asked me, will I be able to breastfeed because my nipples are very small? And my quick answer was, nipples don't determine the way you will breastfeed. And that's it, what all the mothers have to know. Please understand, everybody is giving suggestion. Once you know the reality, it's very easy to understand few other things. It's not only about nipples. It's a lot about diet. Do your workout. Have a healthy mindset. And observe how beautifully you will breastfeed. So thank you so much, all of you. Let's keep unfolding few more new learnings. Thank you so much. Have a great time and bye.